Frisée is a green that exists because bitterness was not removed from human diets, but refined. It is not a mild leaf bred for neutrality. It is intentionally sharp, textured, and challenging. Frisée does not disappear into dishes. It creates contrast. Botanically, Frisée is a variety of cichorium endivia, the same species as escarole. This places it within the chicory family, a group of plants historically associated with bitterness, digestion, and medicinal use. Frisée represents the most texturally expressive form of this species. Its leaves are thin, narrow, and tightly curled. This structure increases surface area and traps dressing, fat, and heat. Texture is not accidental. It is functional. Frisée originated in the Mediterranean region, where wild chicories grew naturally. Early humans encountered bitterness regularly. Sweetness was rare. Bitter flavors signaled digestion, stimulation, and satiety. Frisée evolved from selective cultivation of wild endives. Rather than eliminating bitterness, growers shaped leaf structure and intensity. This resulted in a green that could be eaten raw yet still assert itself. Historically, Frisée was not peasant food. Its delicate structure made it more labor-intensive to grow and harvest. It appeared in kitchens where technique mattered. This distinction shaped its cultural path. In French cuisine, Frisée became iconic. The classic Frisée salad with bacon, poached egg, and vinaigrette demonstrates its purpose. Bitterness cuts fat. Texture holds warmth. The leaf remains crisp even under heat. This is engineering, not coincidence. Bitterness in Frisée comes from compounds such as lactucin and lactucopicrin. These chemicals stimulate digestive enzymes and bile production. This explains why bitter greens often appear at the start or center of meals. They prepare the body. Nutritionally, Frisée is low in calories and high in fiber. It provides vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. Its mineral content supports bone health and metabolic regulation. Its role is supportive, not dominant. Frisée is often blanched during cultivation. Farmers tie outer leaves to reduce light exposure to the center. This produces a paler, less bitter core while maintaining bitterness at the edges. This gradient is intentional. The contrast between pale inner leaves and darker outer leaves adds complexity. Chefs exploit this contrast for balance. From a culinary perspective, Frisée thrives where other greens fail. It resists wilting under warm dressings. It maintains structure in mixed temperature dishes. This resilience made it valuable in professional kitchens. Unlike lettuce, Frisée does not aim for refreshment alone. It aims for tension. It challenges richness. It sharpens flavor profiles. This makes it divisive. Some perceive Frisée as unpleasantly bitter. Others find it essential. Taste training plays a role. Cultures that value bitterness integrate Frisée naturally. Modern industrial diets often avoid bitterness. This explains Frisée's niche status. Yet its presence in high-end cuisine persists. Frisée also symbolizes a shift in salad culture. Salads were once secondary. Frisée helped turn salads into complex dishes with protein, heat, and fat. It changed expectations. Agriculturally, Frisée is sensitive. It prefers cool temperatures and careful watering. Stress increases bitterness excessively. Control matters. This sensitivity contributes to its cost. In modern markets, Frisée is often packaged as a specialty green. Its visual appeal supports this positioning. Curled leaves signal refinement, but Frisée's value is not visual alone. From a sensory standpoint, Frisée activates the palate. Its bitterness lingers briefly, resetting taste receptors. This prepares the mouth for subsequent flavors. This physiological effect is measurable. In nutrition science, bitter compounds are increasingly studied for metabolic benefits. Frisée aligns with this renewed interest. Traditional diets anticipated this without naming it. Frisée also represents culinary honesty. It does not pretend to be sweet. It does not hide its character. It asks the eater to meet it halfway. This honesty limits mass appeal but preserves identity. In contemporary cooking, Frisée appears beyond salads. It is grilled, sautéed, and paired with citrus, nuts, and cheeses. Heat transforms its bitterness into complexity. Again, transformation is key. In summary, Frisée is not an everyday green by accident. It requires intention, balance, and understanding. It survived because bitterness was not erased everywhere. Frisée exists to challenge fat, reset taste, and add structure. It is not comforting. It is clarifying. Frisée reminds us that not all pleasure in food comes from softness or sweetness. Some comes from contrast, and contrast is what Frisée does best.